welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Michelle from Fine Natural Hair and Faith, and today's video is a quick tip because it is Quick Tip Friday. And as you can tell from the title, it's about doing what I call a Bantu knot length check. So really quickly, what you're going to do to check your length without stretching your hair and doing all these things is you're going to, on wash day, take your hair, split it in two. You're in the shower with your conditioner, load it up, and you're going to take one side first, wrap it around, and I can demonstrate this in a future video, but because this is a quick tip, we're doing this fast. We're going to take this side, we're going to wrap it around into a Bantu knot. Like this is a these are Bantu knots. Basically gathering your hair in almost like a ponytail and just wrapping it, and you're going to count the number of times you wrap it around. And then you're going to repeat it on this side, and you're going to make note of how many times you wrapped your hair around until you were complete. So for example, let's say you've wrapped it around 5 times until it was secured and you had no hair left on the end. Then you know that's your starting point. Then in a month or two, you want to repeat it and see if you've made it to a 6 turnaround or a 7 turnaround. This way you know you got some hair growth going on. It was just like a very quick and easy way to tell if your hair is growing. You can do it on dry hair, but if you do it on dry hair, you need to do it on hair that has been stretched. Maybe if your hair was blown out and you blow out your hair once a month or something like that, you could do it on the blown out hair and tell that way. Regardless of which way you do it, dry blown out hair, wet hair loaded with conditioner, make sure you're consistent so that you can check it the same way each time. I will end with this. Checking the length with the Bantu knots, what you want to do is not try and do this like every 2 weeks, or you want to give it some time because it takes a while to really see your hair growing. So if I were you, if you want to try this method, do it like say today and then don't do it again for 2 months, and then you will see if those Bantu knot wraparounds are increasing in number. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like this quick tip. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next video. God bless.